So I did get a comment on making a dev series on like Tari. I'm not quite sure if I want to make a whole series or anything, but I at least will, make a getting started. And so this is just basically how to get started with Tari plus React, which is kind of like my stack that I do. It's what I'm most comfortable with. Tari does have other um, stacks that you can use with though, which is pretty neat. So this is the command you're going to, before getting started, you're going to need Node installed, and you're going to need Rust installed. And then you will open a terminal. I'm going to put these commands in the description for you guys too. And you're going to do cargo install create-tauri-app -- locked. So I'm going to do this. And I am just following this little quick start on the Tari website. I will also leave this in the description. There are other ways. You can use Bash, PowerShell. I just use cargo. I feel like that one's easier for me. And once it's done here, you'll just now do cargo create Tauri app. It's going to ask you for your project name. If you just leave it blank, it's going to do Tauri app. Now this is where you choose the language for your front end. I have not tried Rust yet. I'm just a JavaScript main. So I'm going to do JavaScript. You can pick your package manager. I'm npm, and this is where you can change your UI. So you can just do vanilla JavaScript. You can use Vue, Svelte, all this good stuff. I don't really know anything else besides vanilla and React. I'll just do React. I prefer JavaScript. I know. Sorry, but that's just, I haven't really learned TypeScript yet. So, and then you'll cd into that Tari app. That's my other app, Tari Notepad, Tari app, cd, come on, oh, okay, app, and then this is why you need Node installed, Node install, it's going to install all the Node packages, and then npm run Tari dev, which will run, also open up another terminal here, just to, this is just the Tari app folder. I'm going to open it up in Visual Code so we can look what the code looks like. You have source and source Tari. So the source is going to be your front end if you're doing the React side. So there's the source, and this is all your React components as your main. And then source Tari is the back end desktop application configuration and stuff. So I'm going to have this here to configure desktop side of things, or yeah, and then we're going to go to source main.rs, and this is your main function right here for Tari. All right, awesome. To finish compiling, and here you go. So welcome to Tari. A basic application here made in React. This is just like their load template. Say hey, and then you'll get greeted. Hey, you've been greeted from Rust. So that's just most of the getting started there. You can mess around with it, and basically if you know React and stuff, you can just make a whole web app inside a desktop application here. So like, hey, you can just do whatever, start making your components, make your whole web app, and then from there you can start implementing Rust commands, and yeah, so there you go for low getting started. If you'd like more, just let me know. Thanks.